Watcher, it's Tom again with some birds. Okay, I'm now going to tell you how this duckling is about to be assembled and the various component parts thereof. First of all, we have a miniature quail. Look, he's a little quail. Look, and I've taken all the bones out. So look, you see, it all opens up like a little book of quail. You see?
The book of Quail.
And
what can you read from it?
If I were an augur, I'd read, let's see, there's stuff in here about,
will there be a feast, O augur?
About Ty, he's going to be very hungover tomorrow.
No,
he's going to be at work, he's going to hate it, and then he's going to come back and eat some tasty food. So, there we are. That is a little quail. It's a splat on my hand. There. Right. So, we now move on to the next bird. The bird that's going to be wrapped around this mini quail is another quail. This quail's bigger, it takes 2 hands to hold. It can also do the jack-in-the-box thing. Ooh. There we are, that side can come down as well. See? Ooh, look at that. And that kind of looks like an interesting pair of pants. So, there we go, quail pants. I bet Lady Gaga would wear those. Right. Ooh, can make money out of that. Remember that. Quail pants for Lady Gaga.
Yeah, right. guys, this idea is patented. Patented.
Yes, mine. Thought of it first. Okay, the next one is a little chicken. A little chicken. This is a chicken what I boned myself.
You boned that chicken?
You know what they say about rural types. So, here we have it. That's chicken. And it also can do the little happy woohoo. Meat up my arm. An arm of meat. Meat sleeves. So, there we are.
A sleeve of meat.
A sleeve of meat. These bits here are the little random bits of quail and duck that sort of went awry in the process. Those are going in the middle as well to give extra flavour. What we have here is the most weird looking one. This is a duck. When you take the bones out of a duck, the front lot of it is just you know, look at that. It's kind of, I've ripped the skin, so it's kind of coming out there, but it is mostly sort of skin and fat. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, yum!
You see?
Yum!
Tasty duck. But there we go. So there's the little ducky chappy. But it means that you can wrap him around lots of stuffing, and obviously the chicken and the 2 little quaily fellows. Now, the one that I'm now going to show you is this one. I'm not going to lift him up, but look, see this? That's what happens when you butterfly a turkey. And it's not just butterfly, I've taken the carcass out there. So we're going to stuff them all in here with layers of Lily's delicious stuffing, and then we're going to stitch them up to make a sort of Frankenstein food. So, I've been Tom Hodges. These have been 5 fairly harmless birds that I boned, and they loved it. Good night.